Make a great choice today with the 2018 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, bed liner, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Come see the car for yourself.